So hey guys, this is gonna be $3.99. So the reason why I'm buying so many psycho rails is because I'm splitting up everything I'm buying from Harbor Freight. Unlike all the stuff I've gotten for free, I haven't separated because I'm not worried about those. I'm more worried about the stuff I've bought from Harbor Freight because those have warranties and whatnot. Holy crap, this is about to get real and the prices I'm going to put are the normal regular prices because I won't be able to get them during the inside track. The member deal. Plus I don't need them right now. Holy cow. Tad over $3,000. Well, that's way cheaper than tool trucks. Well, damn. Say if I buy that all at once, that's gonna put it at $32.95.36. Holy shit. And that's if I have enough room for all the tools and everything. And that debates on if I have enough room once we get the garage cleaned good enough and get our dad's some of the stuff he wants to sell sold and get some stuff moved around, if I'll have enough room to put everything. And if I do, then I'm gonna bite the bullet and probably buy it all at once, even though it's nearly $3,300 worth of stuff. And then on top of that, if I still have enough room, then buy everything else Milwaukee I want to buy, which would be and then stuff Milwaukee related is that I'll just have to decide on what I want to go with for Milwaukee batteries. What the frick? Dude, they have so much crazy stuff you can get. It's not even funny. And then so much in tools too that you can get. Some of the stuff is not that worth it. Some things are worth it. Holy cow. This is gonna be crazy, guys. Milwaukee and Harbor Freight. There's some things I don't need and some things I want. The things I don't need, oh gosh, they got some things I don't need. But then a bunch of things I wouldn't want or need. Pretty much anything half-inch, quarter-inch, or 3/8 drive I'm snagging up. I'm just gonna do a bunch of review on everything they sell. I'm not getting any of their wired ones. I'm only getting battery powered shit. Wait, do I have all these opened up? Yep, I do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a fun time with deciding what I want and what I don't need. No, it's all what I want. I don't need them, but it would be nice to have just in case. So then, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.